Welcome back. I supported Vaidehi Naik as mayor, but she failed on all fronts. Babush will never be my remote control. These are the clear-cut words of main contender of CCP Mayor post Surendra Furtado. Surendra Furtado further revealed that CM Parrikar earlier supported him but later turned a cold feet. But Furtado is non-committal on taking action against erstwhile corporators involved in CCP scams. He was speaking in our weekly counterpoint.
But Vaidehi Naik was never involved into any scam or corruption or anything like that.
She was a failure as far as the development was concerned. There were groupism among their own 12 groups. There were 3 groups among the 12. I had 4 special meetings with Mr. Manohar Parrikar. Every time he called me, I went there. I told you. And every time he said, okay, I'll speak to my group, I'll get back to you after 8 days, I'll get back to you after 4 days. And every time he tried to call me. So I thought I have some self-respect in me and that I will not take this lying down. So after 4 meetings, I never went to him when I was called.
So X number of corporators with you. They are with you or they are with Babush and that's why they are with you?
They are with Babush, and because they are with Babush, they are with me.
So because if Babush doesn't want, you are not there?
It's understood, no?
So he is a remote control holder?
No, he will not be the remote control. And when he started this factory, from that time I know him. So we are friends. I don't think being the chief minister and being the MLA of Panjim, he will deprive the funds. I don't think so.
So you have full faith in one?
I have full faith in the government. And if they don't do it, then I know how to tackle it.
I mean, you mean you have a faith that he will give funds or you have?
He will give, no, he will have to give. If you see, all these mayors have been sitting after 6 till 8 o'clock. Ask them why, including Vaidehi Naik. Why? You ask them that question.
No, you have some point to make. Sir.
No, I don't have to make. I'll make that point at the right time. That there should be a secret ballot. Now, I would ask Mr. Manohar Parrikar, if he has said that he will not interfere in the election of the CCP, then म्हाका कोणूय जाल्यार सारको जाल्यार ते जे ऑफिसर हे लेटर कित्याक बरयता?
Bureau Report, Prudent.
Now Goa will buy cows from Tamil Nadu and not from neighbouring state Maharashtra. Sources claim that Goa government has opted to purchase cows from Tamil Nadu under a government-sponsored scheme for dairy farmers. One of the reasons stated is that Tamil Nadu and Goa share similar weather conditions.
The state government has bypassed Kolhapur in Maharashtra, which was a traditional market of the animals, and has started buying cows from Erode district of Tamil Nadu. The distance between Erode and Goa is 859 kilometers. Sources say that one of the reasons for the shift in the market is that district in Tamil Nadu and Goa share similar weather conditions. Moreover, cows from Kolhapur were not able to adjust to Goa's climate. They could not withstand the weather, resulting in drop in milk production. Government has been purchasing varieties of cows in a bid to increase milk production. Sources say change in the destination was done in November last year while redesigning the Kamdhenu scheme for dairy farmers. The government's redesigned scheme makes it mandatory for contractor to transport the animal from there to the farms in Goa. Government has reserved the right to reject the animal. The State Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Services Department holds camps every Tuesday either at government's farm in Sattari Taluka or in Sange Taluka, where farmers flock in large numbers to buy animals. Department also revealed that from November 2012 onwards, 1,354 cows have been purchased by dairy farmers under the Kamdhenu scheme. Bureau Report, Prudent.
And before we end our bulletin, a look at the Shigmo parade in Mapsa and Sutryo in Fatorpa.
उठो भैया का वह मानवता बिल्कुल ही लोप हो चुकी है।
If you've missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.